and welcome to the Week in Review, the show that brings you up to date on the week that was. Here are the top stories of the week. Maruti Suzuki's net doubles, up for the first time in 6 quarters. Bharti and Idea hike telecom tariffs. Tata Motors issued profit warning as margins come under pressure. India's leading car maker Maruti Suzuki has announced a doubling of its third quarter profit. This is the first time in the last 6 quarters that the company's profits have gone up. Net profit is up 144% at 501 crore rupees. Net sales are up 46% at 10,957 crore rupees. The revamped Alto bolstered sales in the festival season. Higher sales and a positive consumer response to new car models like the utility vehicle Ertiga and Swift Desire helped the growth in profits. Maruti shares closed up 4% at 1,599 rupees. Top telecom operators Bharti Airtel and Idea Cellular have increased call prices to account for higher costs. Other players like Vodafone are likely to follow suit. The company said that the headline rates have not been changed for any plans. According to telecom analysts, the recent changes could account for an increase of as much 7 to 10% of the effective rate per minute. Tata Motors, India's largest automaker, has told investors it may post lower operating margin in the December quarter. The company's update indicates an EBITDA margin of 12.4%, significantly below estimates. The company attributed the likely drop in margin to a higher contribution of the cheaper Range Rover Evoque model to overall sales mix. Moving on to commodities, the government, in a bid to cut down the ballooning deficit, has hiked import duty on gold by 50%. The import duty on gold has been raised to 6% from 4% with immediate effect. The duties will be reviewed if there is a moderation in gold imports, the government said. Among other major financial results that were announced this week, India's largest consumer goods company, Hindustan Unilever, reported a 15% increase in net profits. It posted a net profit of 873 crore rupees for the third quarter. Net sales jumped to 6,434 crore rupees during the quarter. But low volume growth and a rise in royalty payments pulled its stock down. The country's leading engineering and construction company, Larsen Toubro, reported a 13% increase in net profit, driven by strong order flow. Net profits rose to 1,121 crore and total sales rose 11% to 15,959 crore rupees. Here are some stories in brief. Bombay Stock Exchange plans to float its initial public offer in the first quarter of fiscal 2014. It will use the offer for sale or OFS route to raise money. The value of the IPO is pegged at close to 400 to 800 crore rupees. According to Mint sources, the exchange has appointed 14 investment bankers to handle the IPO. Finance Minister P. Chidambaram has sought to assure foreign investors that India is committed to pro-growth policies and reforms and will strive to meet its fiscal deficit and growth targets. But he also said that the upcoming budget will be pro-poor. The FM was on an investment roadshow to Hong Kong and Singapore. The government will not raise taxes to meet its tax revenue in the upcoming budget, he said. That's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.